everybody. Jean Ketcham. Martini time. We're gonna drink. Oh, that's so good. Anyway, I hope you all are doing great. I woke up this morning and oh my gosh, it was in such a great, I just thought, what a wonderful world. Everything is great. I feel so good, and I do feel that way usually every morning. And then, the day went on, and then I had something happen this afternoon that kind of bummed me out. And you know how I always tell all of you, we've got to take care of ourselves because no one else is going to do it. So I really, before this video, live video, I thought I've got to really get it together. So I took a bath. I'm a real bath person, and I lit a little candle. I lit this little candle, little purple candle. Turn all the lights out in the bathroom, lit this candle, and oh my gosh, I laid there, this little candle I have burned before, and it just was glowing. Glowing, and it had never glowed before. So, something was going on. Anyway, I laid there and I did a little meditation, and I looked at the candle, and I got out and I thought, oh my gosh, I feel so good. And that's the kind of thing we have to do for ourselves. Anything that makes you feel good, you just do it. Do it for yourself. I don't care what it is. It doesn't have to matter to anyone else. It's just for you. And that was like the best thing I could do, because I thought I'm going to go in this video. I'm a little bummed out, not a lot, but a little. And so now I'm just like, woo, 100%. I'm just feeling so good. So another thing I did for myself this week, which I know a lot of you are probably going to roll your eyes, but as I told you, I'd had acrylic nails for 50 years. I never did my nails. I was like, blah, blah, blah. Went to the shop, it was like once every 3 weeks. So since I haven't had those, then I have had to try to do my nails or do something with them. And I was just screwing up like crazy. So this company, now I'm not advertising anything, but this company is called Olive in June, and they were having a webinar on a class on how to do a manicure. So I went on this class night before last, and they walked you through, it was an hour, but they walked you through all the things, and we sat there and did it with them as they talked about it, and I came out with a perfect manicure. Now, that may not excite very many people, but boy, did that excite me. I was like a little girl. I was like so excited about that. So, that's another thing. It's just like, search out things that are going to make you feel good. There's so many things out there now with webinars and things that we can listen to, meditation groups, all kinds of things out there that we can search on the internet and find things that we're interested in. So I'm such a firm believer in that, and this was so much fun to do this. And then I just made an appointment, you all, to get my hair cut. Now, I know my hair looks probably fine in the front, but in the back it's like really long, hanging on my neck. And of course they say hairdressers are in that top 5 tiers of things you need to be a little concerned about. So I was concerned about it, and I'm like, I'm just going to do it anyway. It's in 2 weeks, and I'm just going to do it, and I think it'll really make me feel good, and I just am going to have faith. So that was a big step for me. So it's going to be a wonderful weekend. Minneapolis is just glorious this time of year. Our COVID numbers are down. I have to tell you, this morning from the newspaper, it said that out of all the protesting, they tested, now don't quote me, but they tested like 1,800 people, and only 1% got the virus from all these protests and these marches, because most of them here are wearing masks. So I still think the mask is just so important. I think we really have to do that. So, so that was exciting news. So everything is good. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and keep taking care of yourself. Take those little steps to make yourself feel better, and just have a great weekend. Thanks.